Hello guys, good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, if this is your first time of seeing my YouTube channel, please subscribe to Adama's Mom TV, and God bless you. And those of you who have subscribed, God bless you too. Guys, today I'm going to be making meat pie. So here I have my carrot, my blended meat. This is chicken blended meat. Yeah, I have my carrot, my potato, my flour, and my butter. Guys, I don't use measurement to measure the flour. I just measure by pack. So guys, this is 2 pack of flour and 2 pack of butter. So when I'm doing 2 pack of flour, I use 2 pack of butter, guys. So this is 2 pack of flour and 2 pack of butter in here, but I have a half pack of flour here that I can use to mix when the flour is too soft. So guys, yeah, I have my curry, my thyme, my groundnut oil. So guys, let's get into the video. So guys, this is my pot. This is my pot in the fire. So guys, I'm going to be adding a little groundnut oil on the pot. So guys, you don't add too much groundnut oil. So guys, I have chopped onions here. So I like adding onions in my meat pie. So I had my onions. Then I had my blended chicken. Then I stir, guys, you have to turn it together until the chicken is brown in color. Until you get that brown color, guys. So guys, you see the chicken is now brownish in color. It doesn't have that reddish color anymore. So guys, then I'm going to be adding my mangi, my crayfish mangi. I'm going to be adding 2. So I'm going to be adding curry. I'm going to be adding my curry. I add lot of curry because I like the color the curry give the meat pie give to the sauce. Then I have my thyme. Then guys, I stir. So guys, now we can now add our chopped potato. And then we stir, guys. So guys, you see, I have to change the pot because the sauce, the sliced carrot and potato is too much, guys. So I'm going to be adding my carrots. It's still too much, but guys, it's okay because when it got done, it's going to reduce. When it melts, it will reduce. So guys, you see, I'm going to be stirring. You give it that stir to mix everything together, guys. So guys, you see, I finished mixing them up. So now guys, you have to be adding a very little water to give that potato and the carrots cooked. So guys, just a little water and you are good to go. So guys, I like making it. Don't mind me that my sauce so much. I like making the meat pie much because sometimes I share to my friends, and sometimes I give I keep it in the fridge and putting it in my daughter's container to school every morning. So guys, now we are going to cover for it to cook. As you cover, every 10 minutes you have to come and be turning it. When you see that the potato is soft and the carrot, then your sauce is ready. So guys, let's wait for it to cook. So guys, you see my sauce is ready and soft. You see guys, so I'm going to be putting it in a bowl so that it cool down, guys. So guys, you see I've dished our sauce in a bowl, and so that it's cool down. As our sauce is cooling down, let's get into the flour, guys. This is my butter and my flour. As like I said before, it's 2 packs of flour and 2 packs of butter, guys, and this is a half pack I can use to mix it when the mixture is too soft. So guys, I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt. I like putting salt in my meat pie, guys, so a little bit of salt. So guys, I'm going to be mixing it with my hands, guys. So a little bit of salt, then I'm going to be mixing. So guys, I'm going to mix and mix and mix. So guys, after the mixture, I'm going to be adding 4 eggs and a pack of milk, guys. So you can see, guys, I'm mixing now. So guys, you see I'm through with the mixture, the butter and the flour. It's mixed already. Then I'll be adding my egg. Guys, you can use any number of egg you want. It's your decision, but me, I like using 4 eggs in 2 packs because I don't want the meat pie to be too strong. So I'll be adding my milk. Then I'll mix. Yeah, guys, as you are mixing it, when you see after the mixing and you see that the meat pie is too soft, the flour is too soft, guys, then you add a little flour. You start adding the flour, adding up the flour little by little. The flour, you start adding it up little by little, guys, to get that solidness. And when you see that, when you started adding little by little and you see that the meat pie is no longer sticking in your hands, that means, guys, you are ready to go. So guys, you can see I'm mixing it, guys. So guys, you see after mixing the egg and the milk, you see it's very soft and still sticky in my hands. So guys, I'll be adding up some flours. So I'm adding a little flour to get mixed again, guys. Guys, you see after adding up the flour, you can see it's no longer solid. It's no longer soft anymore. You see, it's no longer sticky in my hands, guys. So you see, now our meat pie flour mixture is ready, guys. So guys, now we are going to be wrapping it, guys. So you see our mixture meat pie is ready. So guys, time for wrapping, guys. So guys, time to wrap up. So I'm going to be adding flour on my wrap table. I'm going to be taking a bowl, like cut of it, guys. So that is how I do it. Guys, you got to give it that round look. So guys, you see, so guys, you see, it's not that strong because I don't like it. So guys, so after the round, so we are going to be adding our sauce. Going to be adding our sauce, and then we are going to be wrapping, guys. So you see, so guys, that is how I'm going to wrap all of it. So you got to pinch it with the fork to give it that close, so that when it bakes, it will not be, when it's in the oven, it will not be opened. So guys, you see, one wrap is done. So guys, you see, one wrap is done. So I'm going to be taking it and be putting it in my pan, guys. So you see, one wrap is done, guys. So let's get to another. Add the flour. So you give it that round. Yes, see. So when you don't have the cutter, I have, guys, but the one I have is too small. I ordered it and it was very, very small, guys. And me, I don't like my meat pie so small, guys. So that is why I was not able to use it, guys. So I'll be adding my meat pie, my sauce, guys. Like enough sauce in meat pie. So guys, you see, I'll be wrapping. So guys, I'll be wrapping. So then I'll be pinching with my fork. Guys, you see, another one is ready to go. So I'll be adding it to my pan, guys. So you see, guys, that is how I'm going to add up that I got a full pan, guys. So guys, you see, we have gotten a full pan of meat pie or wrapped meat pie already. So guys, I'm going to be rubbing my mashed egg on top before I put it in the oven to give it that golden shining look, guys. So you see, I'm going to be rubbing it on top. So guys, you see, I'm going to put it in my oven. I'm finished rubbing the eggs, so I'm going to put it in my oven and cover it, guys. So guys, I don't put too much eye it, because when you put too much eye it, the meat pie get burned, and when it gets burned, its inside will not be okay. It will not be done. It will not done. So you have to put it in a low heat. Like me now, I use 150 to do that. When I put it in 150, guys, it's get it give it, when it's done, it give it that golden look, that sweet golden look between the up and the down. That means it's already okay, like it's ready to go, guys. So now you can see my meat pie is in the oven, guys. So let's wait, and when it's ready, then you guys see. Guys, you can see our meat pie is ready. Guys, you can see the golden shine color. You see, our meat pie is ready, guys. Please, guys, if this is your first time of watching my YouTube channel, Adamma's Mom TV, please subscribe to Adamma's Mom TV. Please, guys, and those of you that have subscribed, thank you for being there for me. Thank you for your assistance, and God bless you. And those of you who have subscribed, God bless you. Thank you, guys. Subscribe to Adamma's YouTube channel, and God bless you, guys. Bye, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.